If you join the daily income method, your question might be how to get daily income method leads. You want leads that are actually going to join you so you can start earning those $200 commission. And let's face it, the hardest part about affiliate marketing or network marketing or any business online is generating leads. The reason why a lot of people fail is because they don't know how to generate leads. And it's simple to generate leads if you just follow the training that is given inside of the system. Doing YouTube videos or YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or even Facebook reels are one of the best ways to start generating leads for your daily income method business or any affiliate marketing business that you are doing. And if you're not willing to create content to get eyeballs on your offer, it does not matter what affiliate program you're in, you are going to fail. I don't care if you join the best affiliate program, it can be the hottest affiliate program around. If you're not creating content to get people to look at your offer, then you're not going to generate any sales. You're not going to get any leads. And one of the worst things you can do is send someone to the sales page of a daily income method system or even a home business academy. Do not ever do that. What you want to do is have a lead capture page set up so you can capture the lead, maybe let them look at a short 2-minute video of you on the thank you page and then lead them to the next page or opt in and straight to the video. That's totally up to you, but you want to collect the lead because you need to build your email list. If you're not building an email list, you are leaving money on the table, and I did that for years. Now I'm building an email list, and when you click the link that is in the description below, it's going to take you to an opt-in page. Look at the opt-in page that I have created and how you can create the exact same opt-in page for your DM marketing system as well. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you some of the training that DM has inside of it that you can actually tap into right now and start making money. Hopefully, if you follow the training, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to earn any income, because if you're not willing to follow the training, then there's no reason for you even to sign up with Daily Income Method. There's no reason for you to join any affiliate program that has training in it to help you and walk you step by step if you're not going to do it. But if you are that person that's willing to do what you have to do in order to make money online, then you go ahead on and click the link in the description and watch this video until the end, because I honestly believe that if anyone has a burning desire to be successful online, you can do it. I had that desire and I do it, and I still work a full-time job, but yet I'm able to make money online. And if I can do it, you can do it as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, so here we are inside of the DM system, and I'm just going to show you, as I said before, how you can start getting leads right now if you are willing to follow the training that is inside of DM. The first thing you want to do is get your system set up. The video walks you through it step by step. There's nothing to it. You just set up your payment here and you're good to go. So the next thing you want to do is get your lead capture page set up through the Home Business Academy. Okay, you want to make sure that you do that, because this is how you're going to collect your leads, and the training inside of DM system is going to show you how to generate the leads. But you want to collect the leads by getting signed up to the Home Business Academy so you can start building your email list. And if you have another offer that you want to send that list, you can do that. The way we are making money online today is not just randomly posting videos and this, that, and the other. What we are doing is we are building our email list. And if the Home Business Academy has something to offer, or if DM has something to offer, we're able to email our list concerning that offer. Okay, and if they choose so, people that follow you and are on your list can very well purchase that product. So that's what you want to do, build your email list. So make sure that you get the Home Business Academy funnel builder for only $25 per month. This is something where you can earn a residual income of $20 per month right here inside of DM as well. So DM is a one-time payment, okay, but you also earn residual income with the Home Business Academy. So keep that in mind. And if you join DM and you do not get this, then this money goes to someone else. Okay, just understand that you're leaving money on the table when you do that. To set this up, watch this video here and then come down here and watch the training actually by Mike that's going to walk you through the process and get it done. So you want to make sure you have that done. Your affiliate links, you can get your affiliate links here. Okay, you have your main affiliate link right here. You just simply copy it and get it done. What Mike has done right now in order to help get more sales or help us get more sales is he has created some other landing pages. And these landing pages, okay, are these right here: the ATM gamification lander, make money in your sleep lander, the 1 minute quiz lander, Rogers lander, okay, Nick's lander, Daniel, Nathan, and even my own lander. So if I go right here and click this button, this is a landing page that I can use, okay? Anybody can use in the DIM system that's going to lead back to your affiliate link. If your affiliate link is coded. So what I did, I created a testimonial video for Mac, okay, to put inside of the system. And it's just a simple page that's going to help us generate more sales, okay? And then you have Alfonso here, but then you also have Carlos here. But here's a page with all of ours on it. So if I click right here, you have all of these pages that you can send out to people, and I'm going to put a link to this in the description if you want to watch these as well. But as I said, this button is coded to me and it will be coded to you, so you get access to a page just like this. And as Mac gets more testimonials, he will add them to this page as well. So just know you have access to that to help you generate more leads and hopefully get more sales. The one thing you can do is you can buy traffic. You can use Udemy inside of here. But if you don't want to purchase traffic, don't worry about that. And also you can put in your affiliate link in here as well. You can earn income for that. But this is a way for you to get traffic using Udemy. Now, the next thing you want to do, okay, is come down here to where it says access your product. These are 100% free methods that you can use to start generating leads for your damn business, for your daily income method system, okay? The daily income method right here, you have all of this training right here that's going to walk you step by step how to get it done. And as I said before, if you're not willing to follow the training, then it's not going to work for you anyway. Not daily income method, not the Home Business Academy, not anything, okay? So you have 100,000 reels here that you can get access to. You're able to download all of those reels and edit them in Canva, all of that right there. You can leave comments if you want to, so you have that. These reels are done for you. You just need to edit them, put some text on them, and upload them to your social media or even YouTube shorts. The next thing you have is a viral hook generator for creating short form videos or even photo posts, okay? So you have this tool. Just go down through here, pick what you want here, curiosity gap, what kind of image you want, okay? Real talk, profanity, or you want to use clean and professional. You can put your own topic angle in here, which means you can make it in your voice, make this sound like you with your personality. You can use your trigger words. You can put your own trigger words right here, and it works the same over here in the video. And then you click generate. You have a Facebook post that you can start using, okay? It's just that simple. There's no reason why you can't start generating content. The next thing you have is the Facebook profile growth guide. Max shows you how to grow your Facebook profile using the techniques in here. If you don't have a following on Facebook, this is a great way for you to start doing your following. So this is the actual guide that you're going to get access to. Everything you need down through here. Mac walks you step by step how to do it inside of here. If you follow this, you can have success, okay? The next thing we're going to look at is the AI Mastery class. You're going to have access to that. As you click on that, you get AI Mastery, how to use AI to create stunning images and things like that. So you have that. And then last but not least, you have the black book of emails when you're using the Home Business Academy. And the Home Business Academy has a mailer in it, an autoresponder inside of it. You can use these emails right here in order to get it done. And this is just a black book of email swipes that you can get access to. 465 as a matter of fact. I mean, it just keeps going down through here. Just get them and use them, okay? Tweak them if you want them, put them in AI and make it sound like you. You have access to that, okay? So you have access to that. And then another way to get leads is by learning and by coming to the live weekly trainings, which they have here. We had one yesterday, but the other ones are in here for you to go through as well. So make sure you get tapped into this right here, okay? Because this is going to help you as well. Another way that you can start getting leads is using the Home Business Academy. Let me walk you through that right quick. All right, here inside of the Home Business Academy, and the reason why I was telling you to get that is because you're going to have access to the funnel builder. If I open up the funnel builder, you're going to have access where you're going to come in here and create your pages. If I come down through here, I'm going to show you the pages that I've actually created, you know, that Magnum gives you. So this is one of the page right here. It has a pop-up on it. So if I click on just to view it, if I click here, a pop-up comes up. You can change this video out, okay? Another page that you're going to get access to, if I click right here, is this page right here as well. If I wanted to do another page, I can come over here and scroll down, but I highly recommend you use one of those. Add a new step, come over here, and you can get the pages over here on the daily income method. Okay, your pages are going to be right here, or you can go over to Team Ghost, okay, and there's a page right here, or you can create your own page. It does not matter. These are already done for you and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, with the Home Business Academy, you're going to have premium tools that you can use, okay? But right now, let me show you the HBA mailer. You do not have to get an outside autoresponder, okay? You simply click on here. You're going to have an autoresponder that you can use right here inside of this system. You can just go ahead on and use it, okay? What's going to happen is when you get the Home Business Academy funnel builder, it's going to give you access to the HBA mailer. You're going to be able to have 300 credits up here, but you can buy more credits for like $15. You can purchase some more credits. So it's just that simple. You're good to go. You're going to be able to select your list here, put in your subject line, your preview text, your body. It even tells you down here once you put in your email, okay, if the emails are any good, you know, if you need to change something, it gives you a score on them, okay? So you have your list here. You have your autoresponder here. All the autoresponders you can set up. I got too many in here. I'm going to trim this down some. Then you're going to be able to set up your forms. And then, of course, you have settings over here. Okay, so you have all of that right there to help you through the process. This training video walks you through how to get started real fast. They have a training video on the funnel builder and some other training down here on the funnel builder as well. So you have all of that. And if you want to start getting traffic, we have the premium section, what I was talking about a minute ago. You have the premium tools. You have the Traffic Maestro, Prompt Write AI, Image Generator, Smart Post Tool, Email Alchemist. All of this you have access to that you can start using today to help you start generating leads. This tool right here, Traffic Maestro, helps you with long form video, short form video, Facebook post, done for you image, and writes your email. Okay, let me go back to it again. And it writes your email. If you want to do a Facebook post, you click on that and it just walks you through the process. Okay, so it's restored my draft that I've already had going. Okay, I can just start here, do again, or I can just discard and start all over again. So you have these tools to help you start generating traffic for the daily income method system. The only thing you have to do is tap into the traffic. Okay, So there are going to be 2 links in the description. One is going to take you to my opt-in page where you can actually opt in and start looking at, watching this video, reading the sales page, see what's happening on here and get started. Or you're going to opt in and you're going to see this page right here where you can watch real people, real results, and come down here. Make sure you check out my testimonial videos, read all the other videos. Remember, you get access to these tools that are done for you in order to get you started and going in the right direction. So if you're ready to get started with the daily income method and the Home Business Academy, these 2 tools working together, there's no reason why you can't generate leads if you are following the system and doing what it is that you have to do in order to make it work. Remember, if you're not willing to follow the training, go in and do things step by step in an orderly fashion, then regardless of what system you get, you're not going to be successful. But if you want to be successful and you're ready to change, click the link in the description, go ahead and get started. Somewhere on this screen going to pop up some videos about them and the Home Business Academy. Check out those videos as well, but get started today. I will see you on the inside. My name is Richard Hairston. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.